Hello friends, today our topic of essay is my favorite bird. Woodpecker. Pecking away at a tree is something which makes me very happy. Every morning when I wake up, I hear the woodpecker drumming at the tree outside my window. I have been hearing this sound ever since I remember. So it has become my favorite bird. The woodpecker has a brown, black and white body with a red head. This makes it a bright and colorful bird. It has a long, strong and sharp beak which helps it to peck at wood and make holes in trees. It lives in a hole in a tree, which it has dug out with its beak. It has strong claws to help it to cling to the bark of the tree. It eats insects and worms. I hope Mr. Woodpecker continues to visit the tree outside my window every day of my life. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the video. You can tell us in comments. Thank you.